Feeling overwhelmed with repetitive tasks? It's time to ditch the chaos and embrace the power of AI automation. But which tool will truly transform your workflow, N8N or Activepieces? Let's find out. N8N is the open source champion, offering unparalleled flexibility and control. Build intricate, custom workflows with its modular design. Its strength lies in its ability to integrate with virtually any API, giving you endless possibilities. Activepieces emphasizes simplicity and ease of use. Its drag-and-drop interface makes creating automations a breeze. Even for non-coders, connect your favorite apps with pre-built integrations and start automating in minutes. Let's talk costs. N8N's open-source nature means you can self-host, but remember to factor in infrastructure expenses. Activepieces offers a range of subscription plans to suit your needs, providing a clear and predictable pricing structure. Imagine the possibilities: automatically adding leads to your CRM, scheduling social media posts, or streamlining your e-commerce order fulfillment. Both N8N and Activepieces empower you to automate these tasks and more. But don't just take our word for it. Users praise N8N's customizability and Activepieces' ease of use. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your technical skills, budget, and specific automation needs. Ready to unlock your business's full potential? Whether you choose the open-source power of N8N or the intuitive simplicity of Activepieces, embrace the power of AI automation and say goodbye to repetitive tasks forever.